Hey, what is up everyone? So for today we have some new coilovers for the car itself. Let's get into it. I got some fuel suspensions just for the E82. And since I'm still kind of just opening them up, you guys can see these guys right here. I can kind of just take all this off. When your helper shows up, but he decides to work on his car instead. So for this piece here, I have an 18 here and an 18 in the back. We're gonna go ahead and kind of hit it with that, but there's no real clear way to show you guys. This is the best view I can give you guys at the moment. Get this guy. Make sure we're pushing to the left on both. You're gonna tell me this one's a 19 and this one's an 18? Nope, I need an 18 long socket, apparently, but let's see if we can just get this guy to come out just like that. And this might be the toughest portion of it all. It's just getting this guy loose. Now we have it spinning. So coming back, so let's not forget, so the swiper link, what had happened is you have this 16mm bolt up here, and then there's a 16mm nut in the back, which it's very hard to get to, and the only tools I have is either a 17 and a 5/8. Apparently I don't have a 16mm wrench, and even trying to put this guy in here seems to be a pain. It worked. Is right here, you have to split it open. The best thing to do is to buy this tool. This is a separator tool. I bought it off Amazon. I'll probably link it down below for you guys. But all you have to kind of just do is come in here, and it seems more complicated than this, but I think that should be open enough. So give us enough clearance. But you really got to push down. And there goes a tool. Okay. That worked too. Slides right off. Right, so take a look at this suspension here, and then take a look at the FEAL Suspension. Trying not to really let it go too far, but you can tell it is shorter. I'm not entirely sure how short this is going to be compared to that. We may raise it up a bit, just because I'm pretty sure this is done for shipping only.